Are you a bookkeeper trying to learn tax preparation and you don't know where to start? You already have the foundation. So let me show you the fastest way to turn your bookkeeping skill into tax preparation income. Let me introduce myself. I'm Kat, not so boring CPA. After 10 years of tax preparation experience preparing taxes for music bands like Coldplay and billionaires and Ernst & Young, I'm here on YouTube teaching bookkeepers how to become tax preparers. Oh, by the way, I have a Black Friday sale on my website right now, so check it out. Now is a perfect time to start learning. Bookkeepers have a massive advantage. You already know income statement, balance sheet, financial, QuickBooks, so you're not starting from scratch. You already have a foundation. In my opinion, business tax return would be the easiest to do for you at the beginning, at least the simple ones, because it basically consists of income statement and entering balance sheet and reconciling those things. So I think that would be a good way to start simple business tax return. Individual tax return might be a little bit time for you to learn because it's a lot of new stuff, like for example tax credits, right? Itemized deduction. But I promise you it's nothing complicated. So I would start with simple business tax return. I know you can do it. And then learn more about individual tax return. So if you decide on what services should I offer to my existing clients, my answer would be try with a simple business tax return, because that would be very, very simple for you, and then eventually maybe offer to do their individuals. As a bookkeeper, you already know your client, so you're the person they will trust more than any CPA, any other tax preparer. So they would rather work with you, with the person they know day-to-day activities. So you can start offering individual tax returns a little bit later, right? But I would start with a simple business tax returns. Simple business tax return bundled with bookkeeping, so you can add like additional pricing, and that would be very beneficial for your clients. Eventually you can do individual tax return. You can also even do advisory, because you're in such a good place. You have access to clients' books, so you can monitor what's going on. They talk to you often, they tell you what they spend, what they want to buy. They don't have that relationship with their CPAs, so you're in a really good place, and that's how you can learn and grow your practice, by offering bookkeeping and additionally tax preparation services. If you would like to have a clear system where to start, how to prepare tax returns, check it out my website, Not So Boring CPA. Like I mentioned, I have a Black Friday going on right now, so you can have a good deal for a good course, and starting next year you can start offering tax preparation business that can make your business income 2x, 3x, whatever you want. And then if you prepare taxes and do bookkeeping, believe me, your client's not gonna leave you, because you do it all, you know it all. So you also have more sustainability in your business. So one more time, check it out my website. I have a special course. If you go to a tax preparer with no experience, I have a course dedicated specifically for bookkeepers. And I forgot to mention something. I was a bookkeeper myself. That's how I started careers. Then I decided to do tax. But honestly, I like bookkeeping. I actually like bookkeeping probably more than I like taxes. I often review books, so I can understand, I know what you guys know, and that's a lot. Believe me, this is like 80% of a tax preparation to know what bookkeepers know. So I would be happy to help you out. Well, if you have any questions, please comment below, and I'm here to support your journey to offer those bookkeeping and tax preparation services.